Do you know that we can actually find the value of x in this type of exponential equation where the left and the right hand side of the exponential equation cannot be expressed in the same term? The base here is 5 and the base here is 4. For us to do this, we first of all break this term down using the laws of indices. Remember for the first term that whenever you have a to the power of x plus y, it's just the same thing as a to the power of x times a to the power of y. That's the law of exponent. Whenever you are multiplying in the same base, you just have to add the powers. So we are going to use this rule to expand the first term. So here we have 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of 1, applying this law of exponent. Then, and this is equal to 4 to the power of x. Our goal is to bring the ones that has x together. So all we have to do is to divide the left-hand side and the right-hand side by 5 power x just to collect like terms. So if we divide by 5 power x and divide both sides by 5 power x, you can now see that 5 power x will cancel out 5 power x. We are left with what? 5 to the power of 1 is just 5. And this is equal to, at this term, recall from the laws of exponent that we have when we have a to the power of x and b divided by b to the power of x, we can just factor the power out, a over b, all to the power of x. This is the law of exponents. So we have to apply this law here. So we can write it as 4 over 5 all to the power of x. Then the next thing we do, since we are actually looking for the value of x, is just to take the logarithm of both sides. So I can just rewrite the equation. So I'll start with this then. I have log of 4 over 5 raised to the power of x is equal to log 5, taking the log of both sides. From the theories of logarithm, we are permitted to multiply the power x to the log. So we can now have it that x log 4 over 5 is now equal to what? Log 5. Our goal is just to get x. So we divide through by log 4 over 5 and divide through by log 4 over 5. Then you see that log 4 over 5 will now cancel out. You can now see that our x is equal to what? Log 5 divided by log 4 over 5. Having this, you can recall from the laws of exponents that whenever we have the same base and we are dividing their numbers, we can write it as x is equals to log 5 divided by, since when we are dividing the numbers in a logarithm, we are free to subtract. We have it as log, the numerator first, 4 minus log 5. So we are going to use our calculators to get the exact value of log 5. Log 4 is equals to, log 5 is 0.69989 divided by log 4, 0.6021 minus log 5 is 0.6989. So we will be having something like 0.6989 divided by, when we do the subtraction, we are having it to be 0.0968, okay, minus, when we divide this, you can now see that x is equal to minus 7.22. So the value for x in this exponential term is minus 7.22. I want you to like, comment, and share for more posts like this. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.